Frank's taking the lag screws out so we can see the breakfast room. Oh, wow. Look at that. Ugh, it stinks. That's a cool built-in cabinet. How bad is this floor?
There is bad, I think. This is what I came in for, to figure out how bad that maid's room is.
Oh, that's what's in here.
There's a bed.
What's that?
What?
That, where does that door go?
That's that little kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Or bar.
Oh, okay.
Whatever it's called. I don't know.
I love this.
Mantle's missing.
Huh, fancy
And we're
that.
shocked at that. This is really cool though.
So the floor in here is alright up there, so I can actually hold that wall up, I think. This is safe if you guys want to wander it. Ish.
That's pretty. This is built in.
This is the actual kitchen.
But we don't.
We can't get in the kitchen because he lag bolt screwed it from the other side and then locked the door and hasn't
We
given
can't get
anybody
that
the
door
key. Yeah.
open.
This one?
Yay! Alright, little hammer. Little,
Duck!
we're in the kitchen.
Oh, and a full tub!
Look! What, tub number 95?
No, that there was 95, that's 96.
90, ugh, ugh.
That's a good sound.
Ew.
Walk softly.
Yeah, no lie.
Carry a big stick.
Birds. This must have been where the refrigerator was.
This is a freezer. That's what smells.
The freezer?
Yeah.
What's it got in it?
Some food.
Nice.
No, no mice. So, that was anticlimactic.
What's over here?
Just, I think that was the back stairs. Go to the basement.
Maybe. I don't think they're there anymore. The ceiling's going down there.
Did you open that? Pantry?
That's to the bathroom, is it not?
Oh, probably.
Okay.
Try.
I don't care.
Well, for
You good with me? Open it?
yeah, I don't care. No.
Remember what I said about opening doors?
I know.
Yeah, that
Can
one.
we open it?
Yeah, might as well.
Lift up.
There we go. Ooh, it's a very wet door.
Found the bathroom.
Okay. Ew. Nasty.
Step in there.
No, don't step in there.
Is that the bathroom you can get to from out there?
Yeah.
Should we open this one up?
Sure.
released to impact drivers.
It makes a lot of noise.
Oh, that's a cute little sink, though. Nice little powder room.
This one's stripped too.
Hey, everybody. Thanks so much for stopping by Frank and Carrie's Adventures. We really enjoy making these videos for you, and if you enjoy watching them, remember, you can always like and subscribe. Until next time. Mia. 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 Go there with your sister. Go there with your sister. Get her! Get her! Bunny kicks!